Hey, what's up, guys? Gene Hankins here, your Builderall training support specialist and network marketing / MLM. Hope you guys are having an awesome night tonight. And guys, this week is going to be a interesting week because we're going to create a funnel, or at least try to, right, with the one and only WordPress, as you can see right here. I type in Word. So if you guys don't have WordPress, just type in the actual word on the search right here. And I'm new to this, right? So this is going to be a part series. So this is creating a funnel in Builderall's WordPress part 1. And we're gonna go through a process. I've never done this. I don't know WordPress, and I will learn it with you guys here live so you guys can see the process, or just what I go through to try to figure things out. Right? I don't know everything, but I do figure things out, right? So if you guys are an entrepreneur, which most of you are, and you like to figure things out, right? Drop in the comments, hashtag figure it out, right? That's what we do as entrepreneurs. We figure it out. So WordPress, let's get in here. I have not created a WordPress. Let's see. As you can see, I've never created one. This is my personal account. So this is WordPress Pro and WooCommerce. And it's beta by Builderall. So let's click create now. Let's see what happens. Site name. What is going to be my site name? Let's see. Let's just call it my business name. So it's going to be Simplest Advertising LLC. Well, let's just leave it as Simple as Advertising. All right, which create? Which cloud? On which cloud do you wish to create your website? Well, I don't have a cloud, so I gotta click on New Cloud. All right, let's see. So New Cloud Basics. Ooh, they have even more. All right, so the basic one is $15 a month. Hosting plan, 1 CPU. WordPress Pro, recommend size estimate. Monthly visitors, 25,000. 29 extra a month would be, okay, 50,000. 100,000. Wow. It's crazy. 100 gigs. 180 gigs of hard drive space. RAM, okay. Alright, so I don't know which one I should choose. So let's go with something that most people could probably afford, which would be the basic. Let's double check on the Builderall plans so that you guys can see plans. Let's see what is the difference over here. So WordPress plans. I'm trying to see this so that we can see what's the difference with the WordPress plans that you get. Okay. It seems like it's the same thing. They're all one CPU, 10 gigabytes. Okay, so you get this with any of these. I guess you get the basic. Okay, so I guess that makes sense, right? For anybody that gets on the WordPress plans, they're going to get WordPress basic cloud server, 1 CPU, 2 gigs of RAM, and 10 hard drive space, which would be the same thing if you were to not get on the WordPress plan and just got it separately, right? And it would be an extra $15 extra a month. So imagine if you're on one of the Builderall plans and you're paying $79 a month, it'll be $79.90 plus $15. Okay, Or you could get the WordPress plan, and it's already included for now, and you'll be paying the same thing, $79.90, instead of plus the $15. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna select this one, the basic. So let's select cloud name. We're going to call it our simplest advertising. All right, and buy now. Okay, it says pending payment. Huh? Where would I actually add the payment? Let's see. Maybe here on my profile. No. It says you have one cloud with pending payment status. Clouds one. Okay, so I have to click pay now here. Let's see, manage cloud, IP address. All right, so let's click on pay now. You're referred by James Neville Taylor. He referred me. And let's do PayPal because I don't want to put my credit card information here. Ooh. Is there a discount? Validate. Huh. Let me see real quick if we do get a discount. I don't think so, but that's cool that they have this here. All right, so I checked real quick and no, we don't have a coupon, but maybe that might be in the future. That might come out. Who knows? I don't know. I'm just guessing here that they might put a discount. Oh, that's just the super checkout. That lets you do that. All right, so I'm not on Chrome. Okay, hold on. Let me do this through Chrome. Let me close all this and log out. All right, so here we go. Let's log in. All right, so I'm here on my Chrome, so let's pay now. Let's see. I'm gonna do my PayPal. I'm clone. I'm clone on Chrome. I'm already logged into my PayPal. Forgive me, no problem. Okay, I'm not a robot. It doesn't believe that I'm a robot. Mountain or hills? The mountain. All right. I am not a robot, guys. It's been approved. Oh no, it still doesn't believe that I am not a robot. Traffic lights. Okay, this one and this one and this one. There we go. Another security challenge? Man, what is going on with PayPal? Do they just not really believe that I am a real person? I promise, I am real. I'm a real boy. Oh, a real man. Yes, let's have cookies. Okay. Oh, sucks. It doesn't let me use my PayPal balance. That's weird. Huh. Okay, we'll use my Chase. All right. Yes, I already accepted. You paid 15 bucks. Return to merchant. Okay, and it will be redirect to the page now in a couple of seconds. And there you go, it has been paid. Let's refresh so that hopefully it doesn't say pending payment for too long. It's already paid for. Okay, there we go. It says we received payment for the cloud simplest advertising. So let's see now when we go. For some reason, it still says pending payment here, but it has been paid, as you saw right here. They received the payment. So now let's go to the dashboard and let's create a site, not a store. Okay, so like I said, this is gonna be we're all learning here, and I want to see how this is going to be. Simplest advertising funnels, and I want to select this one that I have right here. It still says pending payment here, but it allows me to select it. Want to use an alternative address. Customize alternative address. Okay, simplest advertising funnels. So we'll just leave it as, let's call it funnels, MLM funnels, MLM/funnels. And next, want to connect this to a domain. Oh, yes. All right, so how are we going to connect it to a domain or a subdomain? Well, first we need to actually get a domain. Now, let's see what domain I have available. Let's go to Namecheap. Let's see what I got. Pretty sure I got some that I haven't connected yet. And also, I'm gonna learn how to connect this with WordPress. So let's see, let's sign in. Yeah, okay, so let's do this one. Close this the Honey app. Actually, let's do this one. The real income system. I'm not using this anymore, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna expire soon. Yeah, February. So if I do decide to keep it, at least I know where it's going to go now. All right, so let's do this. Whoops. Why is it invalid domain? Okay, so it has to be www. Let's make sure we take off all these things. And there you go. So www.realincomesystem.com. Now just be sure, let me see if I don't have it connected to something. Okay, I do have it connected to something. I thought I didn't. All right, well, we'll disconnect it and let's see. Let's go back to Builderall. Let's go to Cheetah. Let's disconnect that. That was not here. Okay, strange. Not showing up here. Let's see. Gene Hodges, funnels. Okay, should be somewhere here. Three. Tuesday night training. Okay, so oddly enough, it is not connected here. Okay, I gotta check that out. Let's see real quick, maybe on my DNS. If I do have it connected, I might have it on a different account. I know I did have 2 accounts before. Yeah, so it's not connected on this account. All right, so since it's not connected on this account, we're not gonna take too much time on this. I'll just disconnect it directly from here, and we're gonna see how we can actually connect the domain. It says you can only connect a domain when creating a site if your cloud is active. Activate your cloud before creating the site or create without a domain. Oh. All right, guys, see, we're all learning here. So before we do this, we have to activate our cloud. So let's go to our cloud. How do we activate it? Still says pending payment. Let's see. I don't see where we can actually activate it. Enable cloud health. Okay, so it seems that it's not. Maybe I should have done it with my credit card. So let's try to create it without connecting a domain. Let's see if that works. It says pending payment. No website installed. MLM funnel. Skip this step. Okay, so we were able to bypass that. Username. Yep. Just Gene. Email address. Gene's team. Password. Cool. And next. All set. Review the information before starting to create the site. English, password, username, URL. Okay. Site name, MLM funnel. Cloud, simple as advertising. Okay. Create website now. Congratulations, your website is being created. As soon as it's ready, you will receive a notification and will be able to manage it. Okay. All right, so let's see. Let's click on our site and it says waiting. Okay, so we will pause this here and we'll get back and see if it finishes today before I head out to class. If not, we'll probably pause it here. We'll not pause it, stop it here, and then tomorrow we will continue if anything. But let's see, and let me pause. All right, guys. So I waited about 45 minutes, almost an hour. I did get distracted with the baby. So let's see. I still have time. Let's click on WordPress. All right, so it says it's active, as you can see right here. Let's go to clouds and see. And as you can see now, it's different. Now it says basic plan, 7% of the RAM, 24% of the hard drive, and 1% of the CPU. Stores, we don't have any stores. Websites, so we just have one, and it's MLM funnel. Let's see what happens when we click on that. So here you see the information. You have duplicate site, site transfer, reset password for logging into the WordPress, and delete site. Okay. And we can even view site here. So let's click on view site. It should be a basic WordPress. Yep. Yep. Super basic. Yep, just Gene, one comment. So, hi, this is a comment to get started with moderating. Okay, cool. All right, so here we have server options. So this is configure your PHP, define the limit size, sending single files. Okay. So this is very pro stuff. I do not deal with stuff like this, and I'm pretty sure most of you guys don't either. And then this is where you connect the domain here. Here we have domain, alternate address. So this would be the site until we connect the domain. And we did say, let me see. Let's try this again, see what happens. Let's connect the domain. Let's enter, well, paste. It says invalid domain made because there's an enter here. Okay. Not an enter, a space. Let's see. www. Let's just leave it like that without the www. Connect domain. As domain is already connected to a cheetah builder. I was scared that was gonna happen. All right, so I'll try this other one that I have. Let's go back. Let's get. Let's see. Let's get this one and paste. Let's see. Connect domain. Use your own domain or subdomain. Okay, so now the question is here to use your own domain, subdomain. You can use your own custom domains. Okay, but where's the instructions? It says that they would provide instructions, but I don't see it here. All right, so this I'm gonna have to probably get back to this because I'm gonna have to do some research on the WordPress servers. It says or subdomain for domains we connected, it must be pointing to Builderall servers. Okay, so the Builderall servers I know already have that set up here because Builderall servers, but I don't know if it's the same one. But this is a Builderall server, the DNS servers, I mean. So I don't know if that's what they mean, but we're gonna have to find out and search on that later. All right, so then there's your FTP access. I haven't seen this in a while. So just a FTP client, FileZilla and Win. So this I know when I've messed around with WordPress before a long time ago, like really long time ago, I would have to like send files through an FTP file program or software. Then I'm guessing for this, if I wanted to, like, let's say import a template that I would download from a third party, right? Maybe because I don't want to purchase one, because I have access to other memberships that they allow me access to download, or you can download for free from other websites. Builderall, not Builderall, WordPress website templates. You can do that. So you will probably have to update your files and upload it through here. So that we'll get to that later. Right now, I basically want to get to know this with you guys so you guys can see. And if you guys know anything, like if you guys have already connected a domain and you know that it is through the Builderall's DNS servers, right? These DNS records, drop a comment, let me know. I will be looking at the comments. Let's see, database, PHP my admin. Okay. And then backups. So I guess this is a manual backup they want to back up, because if, let's say, you have a good version of your website and something happens and it messes up, you want to have a backup of it. So this is good. So yeah, guys, this is WordPress Pro / WooCommerce, because you can actually have WooCommerce here. And let's see what happens when. Okay, so we know that this is not going to work. Website not found. Let's see if we click on this. This is found because that's the original domain. So when we click on admin, let's see what happens. Okay, so I should probably disconnect the domain. And we'll do that later. So as you can see here, we have the three little dots. Manage website, server options, domains. Let's click on domain and let's disconnect the domain. Yes, disconnected. So I'll definitely keep some notes so that I can share with Shelly and developers. They should have here info of what are the DNS servers. Okay. Because it doesn't say here, it says they will provide instructions to do this the moment you make the connection, but I did not get any instructions, as you guys saw right here. And let's see if I can paste it again. Connect domain. And yeah, I didn't get anything. So they definitely got to fix that. And this is all the stuff. This is that the website was ready. So let's click on admin now that I disconnected the domain, and now it should work. And good thing, since I saved the password and all that, I'll just gotta log in. And this is WordPress in Builderall. So as I see right here, there's a file manager. So this might be the way that you can import templates. And then here you have the Cheetah Builder. So that's cool. They already installed it for you. Welcome. Drag and drop. Okay. Unlink your Cheetah. Link to Gene. Okay, cool. Elements. HTML. Pages. Post. User access. All right. So this is definitely something, guys. Let's see how we can actually get in and customize your site. Is it still loading? Widgets. Appearance. Okay, maybe here. Let's go back to Cheetah Builder. Okay, I should have read everything. It says it right here. So ready to start building, add a new page and click open Cheetah Builder. Okay. Get this all the basic stuff. And here launch Cheetah Builder. Welcome to the Cheetah for WordPress. Choose whether you want to edit canvas or default. Obviously the canvas looks nice. Access the page background, header and footer. Okay. And choose template. Oh, cool, they have templates ready. Nice. And add multi-column rows. All right, not bad. Drag and drop elements. And then here you can edit your desktop, tablet, and mobile. And then publish your website. Cool. I'm now ready to start building. But I think we've gone long enough. I don't want to make these like 2 hours long. I want you guys to watch it and consume this in pieces. So I think this is where we're gonna hold. As you guys saw, we were able to connect by our WordPress server. It took, like I said, about 45 minutes or so after I purchased it, so they can actually install all the things that they needed to install, which, as you saw, it needs to install the Cheetah WordPress. And now for tomorrow, we are going to actually play around with this. Well, after the live is done, I'll play around with it a little bit more, so at least I'm a little bit more knowledgeable and not just 100% completely, newbie and novice into this. But I wanted it to be semi-novice, because so you guys can see, what it takes to figure things out. Right? Don't give up. I just had to wait, unfortunately, a couple of minutes, and then I had to now be able to log in and edit. And then I found out, as you saw, guys, with me here, that if you're gonna connect the domain, I can't really connect the domain because it doesn't tell me exactly which DNS servers I have to use. Okay, I'm pretty sure it might be the same ones that I've already put on here, but I want to be sure. I want to be able to get that information. So I will probably send a message to support, and I'll probably ask Shelly as well. But yeah, that is it, guys, for tonight. And I will see you guys tomorrow on our Builderall with WordPress series part 2. Alright, guys, have an awesome night. Take care. Peace.